Go. Yeah, go.
Hi, my name is Kusette, and I live in Nigeria.
You live in where?
I live in Nigeria.
You do live in Nigeria, Kusette.
I live in Nigeria, Canada, and Edmonton.
There you go.
And this is my house. This is peak powder and peak milk. It's very yummy. You can buy it in the African store in Canada. You can buy it in Fort McMurray or Edmonton and Nigeria. It's very yummy. There's peak powder, peak milk, and little bottles of peak milk. You can put it in your chocolates like Milo.
Yeah, keep going. And Bonvita?
So, I'll show you one of them. This is the peak milk. Do you see this on the bottom? This says another word, and milk. So my mom pours it from here to open it. Let me show you the peak powder. So this is peak powder. It's very yummy to put in the chocolate milk. Let me show you what it looks like.
Ooh.
It doesn't smell good, but it tastes good. May I smell it? Taste it.
Okay, you can taste it. Adogonjago. Adogonjago.
Yum! Delicious.
Thank you.
And let me taste the peak milk.
Yeah, you can taste it too.
Can I have a cup?
Oh, sure. You can have a cup.
That's not sweetie pie.
No, she can taste the whole thing. She wants.
Delicious. It's very yummy. I'm gonna taste some more.
You're gonna taste one. Okay, sure. You can taste one. That's okay. She wants to taste more one. Yeah.
Peak is very yummy.
You want to taste more?
It's Nigerian. Well, it's the best powder and milk in the whole wide world.
Thank you.
So yummy.
Now let's go make $1 million.
And let's see what it tastes like together.
Oh, okay. See you later.
There's already enough.